out the issuance of identity cards. And we are doing this across the country. We are also doing it in schools, particularly for students who have attained the age of 18. And I must commend and appreciate you that a week ago, we had about 130 of you register for identity cards. And I'm sure in a week or two, those identity cards will be processed so that as you finish your education in this institution, as you move to the next level, you have your identification, which gives you the power to plan for yourself and also to participate in the development of this country. Yesterday, when His Excellency was addressing the nation on the journey that we must take as a country to move us forward, opening an opportunity for everyone, not just the political class, to be part of that conversation. Our young people, our students, the elderly, the politicians, the professionals, so that we can have a candid conversation on how to push the country forward. And he has asked and indicated that on the 12th of August, we begin that conversation that will take us way beyond the tenure and the lives of some of us, that we owe it to the current and next generation, that we must have a honest conversation to safeguard the gains that we've made as a country, but most importantly, to address the challenges and the gaps that have existed, that have held us back for all these years since we became an independent nation, so that we can be proud of this country like those countries that have taken the leap that we have waited for far too long to take.